66 million years ago, Earth faced a nightmare no creature could survive. A force so powerful, it would erase the rulers of the planet forever. Dinosaurs ruled Earth for over 160 million years. Titans of land, sky, and sea. They were the undisputed masters of this world, an empire of flesh and bone, stretching across continents. From the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex, a hunter of unimaginable power, to the vast herds of Triceratops, grazing in ancient floodplains, life thrived in a way we can barely comprehend. The air hummed with the beat of pterosaur wings, and the oceans churned with colossal marine reptiles. Their world was vibrant, dynamic, and seemingly eternal. But their reign, as unstoppable as it seemed, was about to be shattered by an event that would change the course of history forever. Scientists have now discovered the smoking gun, a massive asteroid, over 10 kilometers wide, slammed into Earth, near what is now the Yucatán Peninsula in Mexico. The impact was cataclysmic, releasing more energy than billions of nuclear bombs combined. In an instant, it vaporized everything in its path, carving a scar into the planet over 180 kilometers across, and 20 kilometers deep. The ground shook with the force of a magnitude 11 earthquake, and the sky itself seemed to crack open. Evidence of this event lies buried deep beneath the Gulf of Mexico, in a massive formation known as the Chicxulub crater. Here, geologists have unearthed telltale signs: shocked quartz, a type of rock fractured by extreme pressure; high levels of iridium, a metal rare on Earth but abundant in asteroids; and countless tiny glass spherules, formed from rock that was instantly melted and blasted into the atmosphere, only to rain back down as a fiery glass storm. These are the undeniable fingerprints of a cosmic disaster. The immediate aftermath was apocalyptic. A thick, suffocating cloud of dust, soot, and vaporized rock billowed into the atmosphere, wrapping the entire globe in a shroud of darkness. For months, perhaps even years, sunlight couldn't penetrate the gloom. The world was plunged into a long, artificial night. Photosynthesis, the very foundation of life, ground to a halt. Plants withered and died on a global scale. With their food source gone, the herbivores, the great plant eaters, began to starve. And soon after, the carnivores that fed on them met the same fate. Life, as the dinosaurs knew it, had simply vanished. The impact also triggered a chain reaction of horrors. Gigantic tsunamis, hundreds of meters high, radiated from the impact site, scouring coastlines for thousands of kilometers. The immense heat ignited continent-spanning wildfires, and the seismic shockwaves may have triggered massive volcanic eruptions on the other side of the planet. Earth keeps this incredible story, written in its rocks, all around the world. From the cliffs of Spain to the badlands of North America, geologists have found a distinct, thin layer in the sediment. This boundary marks the exact moment of the extinction event. Within this layer, they discovered a dramatic spike in iridium, the cosmic fingerprint of the asteroid. And under the microscope, this layer reveals those same microscopic glass beads, the solidified droplets of molten rock from the impact. This layer tells us, with chilling precision, about the day the sky turned to fire, and the world changed forever. It is a geological tombstone for an entire era of life. For decades, scientists debated the cause of the extinction. Was it a series of supervolcanic eruptions, gradual climate change? But the evidence increasingly converges on one primary culprit: the asteroid impact was the final, devastating blow. While massive volcanic activity, in a region called the Deccan Traps, was already stressing global ecosystems, the Chicxulub impact delivered a knockout punch. It created a deadly cocktail of environmental disasters that Earth's giants simply could not survive. It was the perfect storm, a combination of terrestrial and extraterrestrial forces, that reset the course of evolution on our planet. The world fell silent. The roars of the great reptiles were gone, replaced by the whisper of the wind across desolate landscapes. But in the shadows of this devastation, life slowly began to find a way. Small, burrowing mammals, which had lived in the shadow of the dinosaurs for millions of years, managed to survive the long, dark winter. They were adaptable, and with the giants gone, a world of new opportunities opened up before them. They cautiously emerged from their shelters, to explore a world they could now inherit. From these humble survivors, life diversified once more, eventually leading to a world that could host a new kind of intelligence, humans. The fossilized skeletons of the dinosaurs, unearthed by paleontologists, are a haunting reminder of the world that was lost. The end of the dinosaurs was a warning, written in the stars, a profound lesson about the fragility of life. Today, scientists at NASA, and other space agencies, diligently track near-Earth objects, scanning the skies for any asteroids that might pose a threat to our world. We have developed sophisticated systems to detect, and hopefully one day, deflect a potential impactor. This planetary defense is a testament to how far we've come. We understand that Earth, while resilient, is not invincible. It is a beautiful, precious world, floating in a cosmic shooting gallery. 66 million years ago, a cosmic event almost erased life from our planet. Today, we remember, not just the magnificent dinosaurs, but the sobering reality of our place in the universe. We are stewards of a world, shaped by catastrophe and chance. The question remains, will we be prepared for the next cosmic threat?